Good afternoon. Today we're going to look at Classroom Tools. I'd like you to go into Google and type Classroom Tools, and you'll see the first thing that comes up is classtools.net. I'd like you to go into that. And there are many activities that you can use. What I'd like you to do, please, is choose 3 activities that you can use and use them to prepare 3 activities for your class. I'm going to give you examples of a few. But I'd like you to choose. There are quite a few here that you can use. You go ahead and choose, and I'll put the exact activity that I'd like you to do on the Moodle. So let's take, for example, an SMS generator. Now this is great if you want to create a chat. So in order to start the chat, I click on plus message and I click on hello, what is your name? ? And I click on OK. And then I answer, or the other child answers, my name is Don. Where are you going? ? And then I go back to add a message. I am going to the movies. Now, 2 children can work on a computer and do this, or you can create a blank slate and the children can fill this in. Once you've done that, you should save it. It asks you for a password. Let's just put a password in, 1234, and OK. Successfully saved it. Be sure to make a note of it at the address. OK, so I've got the address. Here's the address, and I've got the password. When I'm done, I can share the QR code or the URL link code with the teacher. If you've done this activity, I'd like you please to take the link, which is over here, and share that with me in the Moodle. So I'll copy the URL and I'll keep it at the moment at the side. I'll just put it in another document and I'll keep it for when I need to put it in the Moodle. Okay, so that's the one option of the idea of a SMS generator. Let's go back. And I would definitely use that for dialogues or for getting the children to prepare something. You've got also, I'm going to look at another one where you can create a fake Facebook page. A fake Facebook page. Got to try and say that without messing it up. So I can go into this and create a Facebook page about a certain person from one of the books. For example, welcome to Facebook. I can add a picture. I can add when they were born. In other words, if you're taking one of the storylines from the books, Cool or Hey, or any of the other books that the children are using, they can definitely create a fake Facebook page and use that. That's one of the options that you can use. There's also this activity which I like, which is called the Vortex, which is a sorting game. And here, perhaps for the lower grades, you can call it sorts, and we'll make it colors. We'll call this numbers. We'll call this adjectives. Ooh, spelling mistake. Adjectives and nouns. And now I need to add colors, so we go red, green. I'm sure you're getting the idea of what's going to be. White. I'll forward this a second. I've obviously stopped and made the filled in the different blocks, and now I'm going to save it and preview. So I'll save it first. I'll show my same password again if you want to save it so that the kids can go into it again. Okay, you keep the same address. You need to notice that address. But if I go into preview, okay, and start the game. So I've got colors, adjectives, numbers, and nouns, and it does tell you how to play. Okay, let's go. Red goes into colors. Ball goes into nouns. Great goes into adjectives. And I really think it's a good idea that the children can build this as well. Okay, how do I share this on the Moodle? I take the address, I share it, I look at the URL link, and I take this link and I'm going to copy it to a different place so that I can get it afterwards. By the way, why am I showing you all of this is that you can embed these tools into your site that you're going to create nearer the end of the course. Let's go back and I'll look at one more. A nice way of dividing your class into different groups, or choosing a random name picker. You can add the names to the wheel, and the person who's going to take part now is Joe King, and we remove the names. You can edit this. You can edit the names. You can also bring up spelling words. You can use this for past, present. In other words, if I want to take a word like go and I want to put it in the past tense, so I put go on the wheel, and when it hits go, the kids have to say it went, and so on. There are amazing ideas that you can do. What I'd like you to do, please, is choose 3 activities that you can use from this and prepare them for your assignment. Now, what's very important is, what do you save at the end? So I'm going to go into an activity that I did. Now, when I go into share, it's very important that, okay, so when you're done and you prepared your work, please go into the gamification, and you'll see that you need to watch the video to understand the task, which I'm going to put the video now. You need to choose 3 games from the site and explain how you'd use their activities in class. Prepare at least 2 of them for classroom use, and then copy and paste the links into your Word file. Here's an example of the Word file. I'll just open it up so that I can show you what to do. So here you write the name of your tools, and you use, for example, if you're using the wheel, how would you use it in your class? If you're using the Facebook create page, the fake book, how would you use it in class? And then over here, I want you to please click on the links that I asked you to save before. So here's one. I could just make sure that I can edit it. So here's one, and the other one, which I'll just copy. I said create at least 2. Okay, and then once you've saved this, I'd like you then to go back into the Moodle, go into the forum, add a new discussion topic, write your name, and add the file over here just by dragging it in, or choose it, and I'm going to upload this file. This is Howie's work, and post to forum. And there you can see that I've added my work. That's all. Shouldn't take too long to do, and I hope you enjoy it. Looking forward to seeing your great work. Goodbye for now.